In today's video, I'm going to show you the 11 best iPhone tips and tricks to boost your experience on the iOS 17. So without any delay, let's get to it. Are you running out of storage space on your iPhone? You can free up some space by enabling the Offload Unused Apps feature. First, open Settings, tap on App Store and scroll down to select Offload Unused Apps. This setting automatically removes unused apps but keeps their app data, so you can reinstall them later without losing your data. Your iPhone's Measure app can help you to measure the distance between two objects accurately. Just open the Measure app and tap on the Add a Point button. Then move your phone to add another point and it will show the distance between the 2 points. Also, this app includes a level feature. Tap the level icon and place your iPhone on the intended surface to see the level. You can also create customized emojis for your SMS chat. To do that, open Messages and tap on the Compose button to start a new message or select an existing conversation. Tap the plus button and swipe up or tap more. Next, tap on the Memoji, swipe right and tap New Memoji. Customize the features of your Memoji such as skin tone, hairstyle, eyes and more. Finally, tap on Done and your customized emoji is ready to share. If you're enjoying this video so far, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from us. You can use your iPhone's keyboard with only one hand. Here's how you can do it. Open the app that uses the keyboard or simply tap on the search option. Now, tap and hold the smiley icon. Select the right-sided keyboard icon and your iPhone keyboard will be shifted to the right of the screen. In case you are left-handed, then you can choose the left-sided keyboard button. Have you scrolled down too much? Just tap on the status bar at the top of your iPhone screen and you will instantly scroll back to the top of whatever app you're in, whether it's Safari, Messages or any other app with scrollable content. Do you know you can add multiple images to your iPhone's photo app? Just search the photos on your iPhone's browser and tap on the Images/Photos option. Now tap and hold the image and drag it down like this and tap on the other images. Next, go back to your home screen and open the iPhone Gallery app and drop the selected images in it. You can scan text directly from any photo. Just go to the Photos app and open the images that have text in them. Or you can capture a new photo. Now tap and hold the text area and select the text from it. You can save this text in your Notes app or share it with your friends. In addition to customizing ringtones, you can also customize vibrations for different types of alerts. Go to Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and then tap on the haptics to select the Create New Vibration option. Next, tap on the screen to record to your personalized vibration pattern and to create your own vibration pattern and select the Save button. Now, whenever you get a call or alert, you will feel the rhythm of your customized vibration alert. You can easily rearrange or hide your iPhone's home screen. To do this, tap and hold the home screen and set the wobbling home screen to your desired sequence. Moreover, you can hide them by unchecking the Select the Done button. Do you want to know whether you should buy the iPhone 13 in 2024? If yes, then click on the I button to watch a detailed video on that. Are you afraid that someone may read your iPhone notifications or other personal information? If yes, then you can customize your control center's setting over Lockscreen. To do that, open the iPhone settings and scroll down to the Face ID and passcode. Now scroll down to the Allow Access when logged and toggle off the options that you do not want to be seen over your iPhone's lock screen. This is the feature that prevents children from accessing your iPhone's sensitive data, like your Payments app. Go to Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Then turn on Guided Access. Tap Passcode Settings and then tap on the Set Guided Access passcode. Enter a passcode, then re-enter it. From here, you can also turn on the Face ID or Touch ID as a way to end a guided access session. Now open the app you wish to add guided access and press the power button 3 times to start the guided access before giving your iPhone to a kid. You can end the session by again pressing the power button 3 times and entering the passcode, then select the End option. If you want to disable this feature on your iPhone, then navigate the guided access from accessibility and tap on turn off button. That's a wrap for today's video. If you find this video helpful or informative, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for regular updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.